Hi everyone, welcome back to Cutting Sense. I'm going to talk about Project One Whale and how it imploded in on it itself. I was pretty excited about the project. It looked like their phase two was coming along great. The worth of the coin had gone way down, but the entire crypto market went down, so it was kind of expected. But they had a bunch of good sounding stuff coming up, and it looked like they had a good roadmap moving forward. And then it absolutely all went to shit. So Ryan and Tress, the guys who used to run the AMAs, decided they were done. I guess they were getting paid $60 an AMA or something like that, and putting in 16 hours a week on it. And they decided it wasn't enough for the amount of effort they were doing, so they decided to quit. Which, in and of itself, wouldn't have been bad, but then they decided to start posting on the Telegram and the Twitter and their Facebook and changed all of the stuff talking about how it was a scam, how Project One Way was a scam, the CEO's lying to you. You should sell all of your Project One Whale now. And then they started posting in the Telegram, Project One Whale's dead, the CEO's lying, all that stuff again, and then started talking about some new projects that they are involved with. So I don't know if he was ever actually lying. He talked a lot in Telegram, but you can also delete comments and stuff, so I'm not sure if he actually was lying. He claims that he wasn't, and that you can check all of the transactions and all of the money still exists, and he's going to have the venture capitalist fund that was investing with them verify. But those two guys changed everything, and then apparently the person who's running the website for Project One Whale, which I'll show you, is dead now, was taken away. It was down for a while after apparently the person who was running this wasn't a member of the team. It was just somebody else was running the website for them, like a investor was running the website. He lost a bottle of money. This is all hearsay from the Discord and the Telegram. He lost a lot of money and changed it, saying "Sell now, CEO's a liar." So you couldn't find information about Project One Whale anywhere. You could still buy it and trade it. But then this person started posting in the Telegram talking about how they're from Hold for Gold and they want to bring over as many of the holders from Project One Whale as possible. So he started posting in there trying to get a hold of the CEO of One Whale to get them to sign over all the assets and give them out. So that caused a lot of drama. They did actually end up posting Ryan's resignation letter, which seemed extremely professional. Just saying he was putting in too many hours for the pay. And like I said, all of that was, in my mind, not an issue. Like, people quit jobs all the time. But then the changing of everything and trying to market for a new crypto projects you're trying to get involved with, that was the shitty move. But I mean, those are other random. Of course, it's the one he was pushing was some Shiba coin. I don't remember the exact one. I don't plan on investing in it anyway. Just the random Shiba offshoots. I didn't look into it at all. I don't plan on doing it because it was a shitty move. But the Hold for Gold people, which I'll do a video looking at Hold for Gold after I look into it more. But as of right now, that guy showed up and said they want to do a 30 for 1, which was more at the time than the Project One Whale Hold for Gold ratio was anyway. It's closer to 80 to 1. We wanted to do 30 to 1 to get everything over. The community to vote, the transfer over to Hold for Gold 1. So we should be swapping over at some point soon. I haven't gotten mine yet. Hopefully by the time the video posts, I will receive my Hold for Gold. They're just going to airdrop it to us. But the price of Hold for Gold dropped after they announced that, so it did go to 15 to 1 instead of 30 to 1, which is great. That means more Hold for Gold for me, but it at first glance appears to be kind of the same thing. I don't know if I think I like Project One Wheel's name more, and the marketing was a little bit better, but we'll see. Once they get more money, they can hire more people. We'll see where this one ends up going. As of right now, I do like it. It looks okay, but like I said, I'll do a whole video doing a look into it and trying to see what it's all about. But the community voted. We're swapping over to there at a rate of 15 to 1. It says all qualifying POW holders, so don't go buy it now. It's too late. POW's gone. It's dead. They took the snapshot already. And the amount of tokens you had at that time is what you get. They're also going to... There's a bulk of money that POW had that was, to trickle it out for new investments to try to keep the fund going. They are going to reflect all of that back out to POW holders. So I'll let you know how much I get whenever I do get it. I ended up having like 22 billion, 25 billion roughly POW by the end of it. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna get. We'll see. I ended up total through my entire time. I think I put about $55 into POW and I got $350 out of it. It's currently worth nothing, so we'll see what happens there. I'm not super excited about just the losing of that money, but hopefully Hold for Gold will turn that around. Oh, not 55. I forgot about more. It's around 75. Hopefully Hold for Gold will turn that around, and my $75 investment into POW will somehow net me at least $75 in Hold for Gold. We'll see. Like I said, I'm going to do a deeper dive into it and take a look at the project. I might invest some more money in it. It looks like the price has been dropping since they announced this. So hopefully that'll recover. I'm hoping with the market, when that turns around, that this will turn around as well. It's not very mainstream yet. I mean, they suggested this to try to get the holders from Project One Whale over into Hold for Gold, because we've been holding for a hot minute for there's no real return. So I think that was their plan, trying to get us over into Hold for Gold in hopes that we'll hold that one. So I'll keep you updated. I will do a deep dive into that. It'll probably be in a week or two. But yeah, Project One Whale definitely imploded in on itself. I'm sure other stuff was happening behind the scenes, but primarily it looks like as soon as Ryan and Triss, who was the face of the company really, started posting that it was a scam and sell your shit, everybody started selling. So everybody lost faith, and the community decided it was impossible to try to recover. That would have been a stain on their record. Anytime anybody would have Googled it or looked into anything on it, that for sure would have come up all the time. So that's gone though. We're moving on to Hold for Gold, and hopefully that project doesn't implode on itself. Alright, well, I'll keep it short and sweet. Thanks for watching another Kennington's episode. Have a great night.